What if Earth isn't just a lonely planet spinning in the corner of an empty galaxy? What if we're being watched, closely, by an alliance of civilizations far older and more advanced than we can imagine? Not for invasion. Not for contact. But for something far more unsettling. Observation. This is not just a theory. It's a framework that connects ancient myths, unexplained sightings, sudden leaps in human evolution, and even the eerie silence of space. Welcome to the idea of the Interstellar Council, a multi-species alliance that doesn't just exist. It may be monitoring us right now. According to this theory, Earth is not a backwater accident. It is a controlled environment, a living laboratory, carefully positioned within a quiet quadrant of the galaxy, intentionally isolated, yet subtly supervised. Why? Because humanity might be a unique experiment. A volatile, unpredictable species, emerging rapidly, and dangerously, through consciousness, technology, and aggression. And like all experiments of great risk, we are not left completely unattended. The Interstellar Council, sometimes called the Galactic Federation in ancient lore, is believed to be a coalition of multiple intelligent species, each evolved in different corners of the cosmos, yet united by one principle: maintain balance, prevent collapse, and never interfere. Unless absolutely necessary. But signs of their presence are everywhere, if you know where to look. Let's go back. Ancient Sumerians spoke of the Anunnaki, beings from the sky who guided early humanity but later withdrew. The Dogon tribe of Mali has intricate knowledge of the Sirius star system, details they could never have known without telescopes. And in nearly every culture across the world, there are stories of sky gods, star visitors, or shining beings who once walked with man, and then vanished, promising to return. What if they didn't leave? What if they simply moved to a higher orbit, a higher dimension, or perhaps just went invisible to our perception? Now consider this. Why has Earth never been officially contacted? Why don't UFOs land in public spaces, share their technology, or make their presence undeniably known? Because, according to this theory, they're not supposed to. The Council follows something like a prime directive, a non-intervention policy until a civilization reaches a certain threshold: ethical maturity, stable planetary stewardship, and psychic self-awareness. We are close, but not ready. And so, we are watched. Through what? Think about the endless stream of unexplained aerial phenomena, crafts defying physics, appearing and disappearing without a trace. Think about how these sightings increase near nuclear sites, military zones, and during times of global tension. Is that coincidence? Or are they checking in, measuring our emotional temperature, monitoring our decision-making under pressure? Many abductees and contactees report being told they are being watched, evaluated, or prepared. Some even claim to have seen holograms of planets, species not from Earth, or heard references to a council, a higher order, that oversees young worlds like yours. Here's where it gets more scientific. Astronomers have long asked, why is the universe so silent? The Fermi paradox tells us we should be surrounded by signs of intelligent life, but we're not. Unless, of course, we are simply under containment. A kind of quarantine. Not because we're diseased, but because we're unstable. Like a child learning to walk with a sword in its hand.